name's Django and we're now about a week into our 1-month holiday in India, and we just picked a random location on the map and decided to go to Marari Beach, which is about an hour and a half south of Kochi. We took an Uber which only cost us around $20 and split between 4, it worked out really cheap. Marari Beach is a beautiful area with some of the most friendly locals we've encountered so far in India. We stayed at a great homestay located just 5 minutes walk to the beach. Our homestay was called the Marari Beach Pearl. I can't recommend this place enough. The host went above and beyond to make sure our stay was comfortable, and we ended up extending our stay because he was so great.
In Malayalam, in Kerala we call idiyappam. Idiyappam.
Idiyappam?
Idiyappam in Kerala. Maybe the like a rice.
Okay.
And this is a coconut milk.
Okay, and that's made
traditional is made from my mother. It's collected from the coconut tree and just grind it and using mixie jar.
Yeah. And
adding some water and boiling.
Awesome.
And adding some sugar.
Okay.
It's not, I think it's a Paka traditional Kerala food.
Excellent.
It's not available from the restaurant.
Have a good day. Okay, let's try this.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's good. You liked it?
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
The homestay only cost us around 1,250 rupees per night, which works out to about $15 USD, and the rooms are large, private, clean, and have air conditioning. The property also had a great outdoor kitchen and some local cats to keep us company. Getting around in Marari Beach is easy. You can find a tuk-tuk and the drivers are extremely helpful and extremely cheap. We didn't have to bargain the entire time we were there. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Bye. You can also book an Uber or taxi, but we found the most interesting way of getting around the area was by the local buses. Good?
Yeah.
These buses cost next to nothing, and most tickets cost us on average 10 to 20 rupees per person. Coconut? They have like the orange coconuts over here.
It's sad that we are living here.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
The last time on the beach.
It's his fish spot.
Yeah.
Marari Beach itself was lined with palm trees and was much more tropical than we expected. There's a lot of restaurants, little stores selling fresh coconuts for around 50 rupees each.
So one coffee was 30 rupees and the tea was 20 rupees. The burger was 140 rupees or 160 rupees. The rice was 170 rupees and the fries were 100 rupees.
Great price for great food. It's very nice.
My first food in India that isn't curry or spicy. Let's see if they can make a chicken burger.
How is it?
It's good.
But the French fries are really nice.
Have a bite.
I like French fries. It's just French fries, but
The highlight of our trip in Alleppey was our boat trip on the stunning backwaters. The trip only cost us 800 rupees for 4 people and lasted around 4 to 5 hours.
Anyway, what's the cost? What's your name? Arun? Nice to meet you. Django.
Are you from?
Sorry? Australia, and my wife is from Poland and her parents from Poland. Look guys.
someone swimming.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'd swim in there.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is our trusty boat. Excellent. Very nice. Oh, nice. So what's the price?
This is 250.
250?
One person.
Yeah.
Sir, half kilo 800 rupees. It will make you.
800?
Half kg. Pettu padithirikku.
Do you like the fish?
Super.
Yeah. So we just had a beautiful lunch. Fish for 4 people, parota bread, curry, 720 rupees.
Anyone visiting Kerala needs to take a backwaters boat tour during their stay. So if you're planning on taking one of these backwaters tours, I recommend turning up early in the morning when the lighting's at its best and there's no other tourists around.
Okay, so it's our last day here.
Yeah,
It was a great stay.
Absolutely
Great cost.
awesome stay. Everyone, if you're coming to this area, I'll put it up on the map. You should come and stay at this homestay. It's the best homestay we've ever stayed at.
Yeah, it's amazing. You won't regret it.
The best host.
Thank you so much. Yeah, welcome again. Yeah, it was the last day. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you. Yeah.